everyone, I'm Niña Torreña, and I'm going to talk about ICT. ICT stands for Information and Communications Technology. ICT refers to technologies that provide access to information through telecommunications. It is similar to it, but it focuses primarily on communication technologies. This includes the internet, wireless networks, cell phones, and other communication mediums.
ICT has a great impact in our daily lives. One example is reading our local newspaper online, and another example is communicating with your family, friends, and loved ones using email, Yahoo, phone calls, or FaceTime. ICT can give us easy access to information and education. Researching and learning can be improved with the help of information technology. It can give us new tools and opportunities. New tools can help improve our health, our ability. Examples are screen readings, hearing aids, prosthetics, and others. Technology can give opportunity to our future careers and can help shape the society.
ICT as a society. In this part, ICT can help to improve the quality of human life because it can be used as a learning and education media. The mass communication media in promoting and campaigning practical and important issues such as the health and social area, and also it can help in gaining and accessing information. For example, if the candidates run for presidency, the media will promote their important platforms through mass media.
ICT and technology has played a big role in our current generation. The influence of technology has also reached and found use in other professional tracks, especially those that need constant information. ICT has made other professional tracks more convenient and hassle-free, freeing some students from constant stress on a daily basis. The evolution of technology has also aided the evolution of other professions, like medicine, research, and other technology-related tracks. As technology moves forward, so does our lives. For technology already has a spot in our lives and in our profession in the future.
Inclusion, ICT in our
Daily lives,
Society
And professional tracks
can shape our future to be more brighter, build connections, and share information. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit the bell notification, and comment down below.